We're live.
We're live. Hey everybody, Tuesday, dude, here I am. Last Tuesday, I think I got cut off there because Jeannie and I decided to go wandering off onto the sidewalk to show you our pretty bathtub full of plants. So hopefully you got to see that. We'll learn now to get out of the Wi-Fi before we decide to roam outside the doors, but we're gonna stay indoors today. I've got stuff to tell you about. As always, there's always something going on here. Saturday is
You're back.
I'm back. What happened to me?
Something popped up and I was trying to get rid of it.
Okay, I'm back. Well, we said we were going to get cut off today, but you know, you never know around out here with us and technology. LYS Day is this Saturday. Come and see us. Come love your yarn shop. We always can use some love, especially in April. April's the month where everybody goes, you know, frolicking around at the plants and garden center. Like I was saying last week, unless I got cut off, is they're all going to shrivel up and die when it gets to be 110. So you might as well come buy yarn. It'll still be there. And you won't say, wow, you know.
It'll be nice and pretty.
It'll be nice and pretty all the time. The heat isn't going to make this shrivel up and die. So, but have fun at your garden center. But think about your yarn shop here in April. We drive by and see where you all are. We know what you're doing, but you need to be knitting. Okay, but this will get you knitting. Jennifer has finished the sample. This pattern will drop on Saturday. It is a free pattern just on Saturday when you come see us and buy this yarn. Buy the color. Let me get it out of the bag so you can see it. But this is the sample shawl. We got an advanced pattern. We got to kind of check it for errors. And Jennifer whipped this right out. This is a special color that Baah has dyed in La Jolla for Yarn Shop Day. Jennifer decided to combine hers with green because she's a green gal. But I have a picture of the pattern sample. They did it with the 2 shades of blue, and we have those blues in stock too. When I was talking to Mira, who is the owner and dyer for Baah, she said that she's just crazy about this color. And one thing she likes so much about it, well, I like it because it's like nothing else that they have. And what she really liked about it is it really pairs with the entire color range. So you have a lot of options to create your own, or we have kits ready to go for the blues, like shown in the pattern. And the pattern is free. There's a free download code that we can give you on Saturday when you come in the store, and we will hook you up so you can make one too. It was a fast knit. It was really fun to do, so I think you'll enjoy making it as well. If you need another reason to get out of the house on Saturday, maybe you have others trekking along and you need some time to go to the yarn shop without them, our favorite friends over at Dunnigan Farms is having a big hoo-ha out at their place. If you're like, who are they and why would I want to go? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm getting sick and tired of meat you buy at the grocery store. It's kind of nasty. Isn't it, Jeannie? Antibiotics, even the hamburger. I used to always get the ground sirloin at Crest. It's not even as good as it used to be. It's kind of barf. Well, here's something Guthrie people know that if you don't live in Guthrie, you might not. This is where you go get your meat. If you want farm-to-table meat, their meat is the best. And this would be a good time to go and check them out where you won't feel like, where am I going? Go. Everybody will be there blending with the crowd. You can check them out. They have all sorts of different types of pork and beef and you name it. It's the place. That's a little Guthrie secret I thought I'd share with you. So that way you can, drop off your meat buyers and come see us and buy yarn or do both. So big day Saturday. Hope we see you. Oh, I forgot about the needles. Let me grab those. We'll go over here and get needles. We got new needles in from Knitter's Pride.
And they're purple.
Janie's all excited because they're purple.
Well, no, the needles, yeah.
Everything's purple. Yeah, we kind of, Knitter's Pride. Y'all still a player, y'all. Atlanta Moon and the Likey, sometimes they get kind of shoved aside, but they're like, hey, hold my beer. We've got something cool because Likey has the pink needles and whatnot. But what about purple?
Are those pretty?
And they're the cubic, so they're square, which, may be a yay or a nay for you, but I think, I'm speaking for the people here. I don't think they care what shape they are because they're purple.
They're purple.
And it's a nice little set because you just get the sizes you need. It's got a size 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Mm-hmm. It skipped the half sizes in the 10s, and it comes in this really kind of nice case. This is a special edition set. We only got a few in, but they'll go fast. So if you want to get you some of the J'adore, they have a nice French name to go with the purple needles, you better get busy. They're on our site now, or come on in. Like I said, we have a few sets left, and I don't know how long they're going to stick around. What else happened? Oh, Joy Susan. We have Joy Susan reorders. These little penny wallets is what they call them. Sell like crazy. I think everybody coming in picks one up, don't they, Jeannie? Mm-hmm. And they also come in, hey, Jennifer, did you grab me the other colors? These are just the ones that we were able to get reorders on. This time of year, they're really nice because you can just stick it in a pocket If you don't want to carry your whole purse or go ahead and stick it in your purse, there's a little slot here, credit card slots here, and then a little coin spot there. Just a nice little size. See, we've got green and brown. We've added black and white. Yellow. Yeah. We've got yellow. There's also a nice mango orange and a blue, but they're on back order. These are hard to get. So grab some while you can. We bought a lot this time. And then they also make the bigger Caro, throwing them on the floor, Caro wallet as well. And we have lots of colors in these. If you want something a little bit bigger. Guitar straps. The guitar straps still selling like crazy. We got some more in. I think these are mainly reorders, but these are some of the more popular. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those cool? Love, love, love. And then we've got some more here. There's a strap for everybody. We've got sparkly beads, a little more plain, kind of Aztec print. And we have more than just this. These are just the ones that came in. What else is going on, Jeannie? Jennifer, anything you guys can think of?
I don't know.
Because it's April. Oh, our
Oh,
event. If you haven't
yes.
RSVP'd yet to be a VIP, of course, you can just show up. I mean, you don't have to RSVP or anything. We've got our, oh, thanks, Jennifer. Our trunk show starring New York yarn from Baah. It's another Baah yarn. We usually have a La Jolla. We're going to have the New York on display for you to buy. They're sitting in a whole bunch for the week. It starts May 21st through 28th. 21st is when we're having our, big grand reveal of the New York yarn, and that's when we'll have a fashion show, and we have a VIP package that has a skein, a pattern that we're working on, stitch markers, all kinds of flair. You're going to feel like you've got a VIP swag bag. We're going to hook you up, but like I said, you can just show it too if you just want to come and see the yarn. You don't have to be a VIP. It's either way. Just come one, come all. If you can't come on Saturday, you'll be here through that following Saturday, which is the 28th. I believe it's Memorial Weekend. So another good excuse to get out of the house. So come and see us. If you can sign up online or find out more, it's vip.swagnet.com. We've got a short URL. You can't speak today. URL for you today. That's a tough 3 letters. You would think I could say that.
And if they can't attend in person, they can also do the virtual.
Virtual, that's right. So if you want to be VIP and you live, somewhere, just don't want to get out of the house, and you want to see the fashion show, but you can't be here, well, you can sign up and pick virtual. We'll send you your little kit with all the stuff, and you'll get to pick your color. Right now, we don't have the colors available to pick because we don't know what we're going to get. But especially if you're doing virtual, if you're coming in, we'll ask you, you can pick what you want. We're not just going to randomly stick a color in there. So if you're worried about signing up virtual and we're just going to poke something in there that you don't like, we won't. We'll say, hey, here's what you got. What do you want? We'll communicate. We're communicators, right? We want everybody to be happy. I guess that's all for today. Like I said, it's April. Everybody's out with their flowers. We know where you're at. Hopefully ours survived Saturday with the parade. Keith was really worried. He was going to put a sign in there that says, "This is not an ashtray." I said, "You can't do that." He goes, "Why not?" I said, "Because it'll become an ashtray." People who, you know how people are. Well, I said, anybody's going to use an ashtray, it doesn't need a sign. Who wouldn't do that? Yeah, I said, they'll throw them all over and burn the buildings down. Then he was going to put, "This is not a bench." I'm like, yeah, then everybody's going to sit in it. Yeah, there were people sitting on it, but not in it. I think one little leaf got squished, but I just tried to pretend it didn't happen. And because I wasn't going to stand out there and throw some big guy out of my bathtub. I thought, well, we'll just sneak down there to the plants dinner where you guys all are and buy a new plant, poke in there and hope he didn't notice. He gets really excited about my plants, but like normally he waits till after 89ers because he's afraid everybody's just going to sit on it because of the parade crowd. But this year I tempted him to do it earlier because we got the sad face rock in our bathtub of dead plants sticking up all winter. This year we will make the cozy. We won't we? Yes. It'll be a group effort. We will get a new cozy made in time for all the plants to die. So hopefully we'll avoid having sad face rocks again. That's pretty pathetic.
It was bad.
We usually aren't tacky, but we've had so much else going on. That was the least of my concerns. I thought we're just going to have to, be tacky for once.
Yep.
Tacky, not necessarily on purpose. Sometimes we like being tacky, like our flamingos, but that's all good. Okay, that's all we got. We'll see what happens next week. I'm sure I'll have something cool cooking up to tell you about. Bye.